I've been using the Redmi BUDS 4 Vitality Edition, which is the Chinese variant of these earbuds. Globally, they're known as the Redmi BUDS 4 Active. They are the fourth on the Redmi BUDS 4 lineup, which also includes the Redmi BUDS 4, Redmi BUDS 4 Pro, and Redmi BUDS 4 Lite. The build quality is good. It features a white matte finish plastic for the Chinese version, aka the Vitality Edition, or a black finish for the global version, aka BUDS 4 Active. The earbuds themselves feel very cheap, plasticky, and light. Each earbud weighs 3.6 grams. So for the most part, you won't feel too uncomfortable in the ears. But if you've used premium earbuds before, you can definitely feel the quality difference. In the box, you'll find the buds themselves, some plastic ear tips in differing sizes, and an instruction manual. To connect the buds to the phone, you can download the Xiaomi Earbuds app and click on the Add Earphones. That method did not work for me, so I connected using Bluetooth. This is because I have the Chinese version of the earbuds. With the global version, this shouldn't be a problem. The global version also comes with Google Fast Pair support, so connecting won't be a problem. In terms of design, we definitely know where Xiaomi got their inspiration from. Now, the earbuds are actually quite comfortable in the ears, but I found that when I went jogging, they tend to just slip off, so I wouldn't recommend them for jogging. Now, the sound quality from the BUDS 4 Vitality is actually quite decent, although I can say I've actually experienced better. Even the FreePods 3 that I reviewed are actually quite better than these, but then those ones cost twice as much. The clarity is okay, the bass is poor. They are not that loud. With the volume on max, the sound does not distort, which is a plus. There's no active noise cancelling technology, although Xiaomi added something called electronic noise cancelling for calls. And talking about calls, this is what the BUDS 4 Vitality sound like.
So in terms of call quality, this is what you can expect from the Redmi BUDS 4 Vitality or BUDS 4 Active. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you like the sound? Do you hate it?
The BUDS 4 Active also come with the typical gestures like double tapping when answering a call or playing a song or pausing the song, tapping 3 times to reject a call, and pressing and holding to enable or disable low latency mode. For the most part, gestures tend to work 90% of the times. Now, talking about low latency mode, I was pretty surprised with the low latency in terms of gaming. With the low price tag, the BUDS 4 Active are surprisingly good. This is because they support Bluetooth 5.3, which is very fast. Now, in terms of battery life, on paper, the BUDS 4 Active promise 5 hours and 28 hours of playback with the case. In real-world usage, I was getting around 7 hours of music playback from the buds. Charging the buds from empty to full took about 2 hours. The BUDS 4 support fast charging. The Redmi BUDS 4 Active or Vitality are retailing for around $30 on Amazon and $15 on AliExpress. I'll leave a few links below which you can use to purchase the BUDS 4 Active or Vitality, which can help out the channel as well. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That'll be great for the algorithm. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.